Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to the fourth experiment in the CoCoMAD Science box. So this one involves changing the colour of red cabbage. So for this experiment we need a red cabbage, a sieve, some glasses or beakers, a chopping board, a blender, a sharp knife, but make sure an adult uses that, a lemon, some toothpaste or soap, some pipettes, and in this video I used a spotting plate, but if you've got a CoCoMAD Science box you can use a weighing boat or any plate or dish with a white or light coloured bottom will do for this. Enjoy! Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video we're going to learn how to change the colour of red cabbage using lemon juice, soap and other things you might have lying around the house. So first of all we're going to chop it up and then get the juice out of it and then change the colour of that juice. So let's get cracking. So what we need is a red cabbage and some boiling water. Rather than just wasting that red cabbage that's not in the pot, let's blitz it up with some water and see if we can make some indicator that way too. So now we've made our red cabbage indicator, we need to test it and see what happens. So for the acid, we're going to just squeeze a lemon, and for the alkali, just going to get a little bit of toothpaste, put it in some water, and then we can use that as our alkali. Now you've got your red cabbage indicator, your lemon juice and your toothpaste and water, you now need your well plate. So in each of those little wells you can do little experiments. So we're going to fill 3 of them with red cabbage indicator, and then in the wells that you've just put red cabbage indicator in one of them put a couple of drops of lemon juice, in another put a couple of drops of the toothpaste water and see what colour changes occur. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. And then the same in another well. Yeah.
Could I do a bit more?
Yeah, and then you can do the next row.
A difference.
Right, now we need to just put 2 drops of the toothpaste into one of the wells here. So over there, Bet. Try that one. Yep, but that's enough. Have you seen it? It goes light blue. And then you put a couple of drops of lemon juice into that one. And see, that goes a deep red. How cool is that?
No, pink.
Yeah, how cool is that?
Pink.
Do you like it?
Yeah, can we?
As you can see, you don't need to cook the cabbage to make a good indicator. But if you happen to be cooking red cabbage anyway, just keep the drained water and then you can use that as indicator. Now that we've learnt we can change the colour of red cabbage, we can now have a nice relaxing game of noughts and crosses. Well, I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make red cabbage indicator and how to use it to tell the difference between acids and alkalis. So you could try different things around the kitchen to see if they're acid and alkali, or try some soap, or just experiment